right, let's get straight to it. Changing your headlight bulbs on a 2002 Nissan Pathfinder. This is the V6 3.5 engine. All right, so to change your bulbs, it's the same on both sides. You have about the same amount of clearance down here to get your hands down on both sides. So I'm going to start with this side here. So all you have to do is unplug this. There's a plug that goes in here. You don't have to turn it or twist it or nothing. Just unplug it straight out, just like a socket you would in the wall. Luckily for you guys, I have another video that I have to where I took this light out, so I'll be able to show you exactly what you need to do to get this light bulb out without removing it, because I've already removed mine. Pull this rubber piece out here, and then you're going to expose the light. Press this piece here down and bring it around, and that should loosen up your light here. Pull your light out, and simple as that. Get your new light, set your new light in. There's these little key markers here that doesn't allow you to put this in the wrong way, so that's good. And once that's in, you realign this wire piece here right back on it to hold it, and put your grommet back on to seal from the outside atmosphere. Okay, so after you've looked at that way, you can come back here now, and you kind of got an idea of what you're messing with. So you have to pull out this black piece that's on the back, and then you have to feel for that metal wire piece that you have to press out. And then once you pull that wire back, you'll be able to pull your bulb straight out, pop your new one straight in, put your wire back, put your rubber grommet back on, and then we can go ahead and plug this back in. And once that is plugged in, that's pretty much it. That is how you change your headlight. Like I said, it's the same exact thing on the opposite side. You can actually see the rubber boot there. You pull that out, and you get to the wire. You pull the wire back, you pull your light out, put your new light in, put the wire back, and put your grommet back in, and plug your harness straight back on. And as simple as that. That is how you change your light bulbs on a 2002 Nissan Pathfinder. This is the V6 3.5 engine. If you liked the video and you thought it was helpful, be sure to hit the like, subscribe button. Also, if you feel this video saved you some money, don't be afraid to leave a little tip in the Cash App. The more reactions and support that I receive is the more content that I'll make.